Hello, it's Mrs. Owens. I wanted to show you a couple things and give you an update. I am going to have tutorings on Monday and Wednesdays now, simply because nobody's joining my tutoring, but that doesn't mean that we can't have a separate appointment time. If you say you work better at 4 o'clock, let's meet at 4 o'clock. You just let me know, and the link will still be here. Also, if you join my Remind by texting 81010 with @owens.math, you can get help through text, and that's good for people who don't want to be on video, and you can send pictures of the problems and it can help you out that way. Okay, so for this week 5, we have writing the equation from a word problem and then solving it. So last week you just solved it. The outline, remember, is just instructions about how to do your assignments for the week. The video, you watch for some help and then you mark as done. Your practice lesson 10, that is questions and an answer key so that you can practice and see if you get it correct before you do the exit ticket. The exit ticket is answering 3 questions, and that is what keywords helped you write your expressions, and you can get that from the notes. What is the first step in solving an equation with x on both sides, and then to write your own word problems like the ones in the practice. So let's take a look at the practice. I want to do one question with you. So I can bring up my whiteboard. So here's the question number 1. It says container A and container B have leaks. Container A has 800 milliliters of water and is leaking 6 milliliters per minute. Container B has 1,000 milliliters and is leaking 10 milliliters per minute. Now, some important keywords are the leaking, right? If you look at your notes, leaking means it would be a negative. This is your beginning value, right? It starts off at 800 for container A and it starts off at 1,000 for container B. So looking at our 2 expressions, it would be a starting value of 800 for container A, and you're taking away 6 milliliters per minute. Remember, when you see the word per, each, every, that's your number that's going to go with X. Expression 2 is container B. So now this one's starting at 1,000 and it's going down 10 milliliters per minute. So remember, we make these equal to solve it. All right, so I'm going to draw my line down the middle. The first step, you want to get rid of or move the x's to one side. So I am going to, let's see, I'm going to add, it doesn't matter which side you start on. Okay, so I'm going to add 6x to get rid of it. Right, it's negative 6 plus 6 zeroes it out, it's gone. But I do the same thing over here. So I have 800 left on this side. I have 1,000 still. And then negative 10 plus 6, guys, check your answer with your calculators, is negative 4x. All right, the next step. Now we want to get rid of this 1,000, so I'm going to do minus 1,000 minus 1,000. So that equals negative 200 equals, this is gone, negative 4x. Last step, we want x by itself, so we're going to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. Divide by negative 4 on both sides. You use your calculator again. We know that a negative and a negative make a positive. We can use Nacho Man for that. And you should get 50. And then the 4's are gone here, so x equals 50. That's how you're going to solve every one of these problems. Please, again, come to tutoring, text me on Remind, let me know how I can help you. Have a good week.